What's going on, guys? As you can see, we finally got concrete. The concrete has been completed. So they actually brought out about two and a half trucks, which is about 25 yards of concrete, 3,000 pump mix. And Don, who's been doing concrete for like 40 plus years, I mean, literally the guy has been doing it since he was probably like 15 years old, you know, like. So he came out here, he poured all the concrete. He's a legend in the concrete world, but all that's done. And because that is done, now we can start framing. And we were also able to finally get our beams up. So I'll show you, we got all of our wooden trusses up now, and we got, you know, our support beams, the vertical and the horizontal ones. We just got one thing left to do. I gotta take these bolts right here, these suckers. Look at that thing. Woo! But these bolts gotta go through that beam and then hold that entire roof section together. And once I got enough of these suckers in there and I feel comfortable, then we will take these I-beams, these metal I-beams, and they will go away. They will disappear. And then the entire roof structure will be supported by this big old Paralam beam, these vertical supports, which will be hidden inside the wall. So you won't even know that we have those in the wall. It'll just look like one big open space. So anyways, guys, we're making progress. We're getting there. We got bolts, we got framing, we got trusses, we got painting. It's all happening. So join us. Stay a part of the journey as we bring ActivAge across the entire country, and we transform the lives of 10 million seniors by helping them live their best life.